Oh, hello there. I'm Finn, the Avatar, a Science Mill team creation. I am programmed to be the official ambassador for the Night of Fives, the Science Mill's annual benefit event on November 16th. One moment, please, while I scan my files for all the information about the event. Now, this is some fascinating information I see in my files. If you don't want to drive, the Science Mill will drive you to the event in style. Start your evening on a luxury charter bus, and the party will start early with the delicious bites and drinks to enjoy while you relax on your ride through the beautiful Texas Hill Country, leaving from both Austin and San Antonio. In Art Auction, I have cross-referenced my extensive database of art and artists, and I must say, these artists are the best of the best. Come to Night of Fives to bid on art by Cruz Ortiz, Denise Prince, Jason Archer, and more. Oh boy, I just downloaded the catering file and my circuits may blow. At Night of Fives, the Science Mill is serving delicious food from local chefs and restaurants, including Ranch 616, El Locavore, Bavir Catering, and more. The Science Mill is also featuring drinks from local vendors, including Tito's Vodka, Jim and Boat Mezcal, Nine Banded Whiskey, Real Ale Brewery, and wines from William Chris Vineyards and Lewis Wines. I can't wait to step into the Take 5 Jazz Lounge where you can listen to Armin Marmolejo Quintet. Or, if you're like me and want to get moving on the dance floor, you could party with DJ Peytonius. My final download is coming through now, and it's very important. Night of Fives and all the fun we just talked about supports the Science Mill's mission to spark curiosity in STEM and build a science-literate community that leads to a strong, skilled STEM workforce of the future. That's great news for me and for you. Thank you so much for your support.